Hello and welcome to another edition of EV Wonder. On today's episode I want to show you my favorite wash product. It's Aero Cosmetics Wash Wax All. It's a waterless car wash that I've used since before I had my Model 3. I used it on my old car. I love it. I use it all the time. And I got something recently to go along with it that Aero Cosmetics sells. It's the Wash Wax Mop. And you can do your car in 15 to 20 minutes where normally it takes 30 to 45. The kit comes with this mop. You've got a wet side and a dry side. It's a soft brush. There's nothing harsh about it as far as ruining your finish. It's very, very, very soft microfiber mop. Also, you get a scrubber pad, which is great for getting bugs off the front of your car, and this is the season for that. And it also has the same soft brush on the other side. So again, you got two sides to this. This comes off, that pulls off and Velcros actually to the pad, so you can just take it off and run these through the washing machine. Works good. This thing extends if you need it to. It'll go way out, as you can see. Actually, this is designed to tear up your furniture. Just kidding. Designed to wash an airplane if you need to, so you won't need to extend it. I don't when I use it, but it's there if you need to. The kit, when you buy this, you get some microfiber towels. You get the blue ones. I actually use color-coded ones, you might say, that I got at Costco. These are the bigger ones that actually come with the kit, the blue ones. I use a different color to do the final wipe when I'm done. So I keep a load of these in the back of my car to always have if needed. At supercharger stops sometimes I'll use this. It's a great product. It's just spray on, scrub with one towel and wipe with the other, and you're done. So I'm going to do a sped up video and show you how easy it is to use this. And I'll use the mops and the scrubber, and I'll time it. Of course you won't know because it's not real time, but I'll let you know exactly how long it took me to wash the car. I may be stopping to move the camera occasionally, so I'll take that into consideration. I'll stop my stopwatch as I do that, but I'll get back to you when I'm finished. Okay, in hard to reach places, you'll still need to use the cloth. It's kind of hard to get in the nooks and crannies with the big brush, so just spray on, wipe it on with your blue towel or your wet towel. Get underneath and then use the drying towel to get the rest. Okay, the side glass is really still easier to do with the towels than it is with the big long stick, so I still do that with the easy wipe on. And easy wipe off, making sure to get any overspray keeping the chrome polished. Okay, for the wheels, I just use a little brush like this that I picked up at Pep Boys. Kind of gets into the cracks pretty good. So I use the fine mist on this and then just go around the wheel. Okay, there you go. I finished in 19 minutes, so I washed my whole car in under 20 minutes, including the wheels, including the glass. Is it a perfect job? No, there's some little spots I had to go back and touch up with the blue cloth and the yellow cloth, but overall, if you're looking for a quick wash, if you got to be somewhere and you want your car to look good in a hurry, this is your answer. If you are washing your car in less than ideal conditions, say the winter time, you can't beat this either. I don't know too many people who want to get a bucket of water out and wash their car in the middle of winter. So I don't like taking my car through any sort of car wash anymore. So this is my solution. Works for me. I think it'll work for you. You can get this on Aero Cosmetics webpage. You can also get it on Amazon, but it's a little cheaper, or it was for me, to actually buy it from Aero Cosmetics. I think the whole kit was $149. It came with some solution, it came with the 2 mops, and came with a few towels. So get it. It's a great little way to clean your car. It keeps the Model 3 looking great. I love the product. I have since before I had the Model 3. I think you will too. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you're looking to buy a Model 3, Model S, or Model X, use my referral code listed below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again.